Okay, guys, we have a mystery train on our hands. We're back in Cantville. I have no idea who this is. It sounded like they said something 10:09 over the radio. I just do not know. But I see his headlight coming, so, yeah. He's moving slow.
Did they give a letter?
I don't know. So, I think there may be a meet here in the Orange Heights sighting. I don't know. We saw a yellow signal at South Orange Heights.
Is there a sighting over? Yep.
Yeah, there's sighting down there. It's not going in the sighting though, because the yellow was on the main. So I think it's meeting someone. But yeah, here he comes. Wait a minute. Those look like coal hoppers. I think he's T109. Do not quote me on that. I think he may be T109. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Okay, I'm gonna stop being a chatterbox. Huh? That's a coal train. T is coal train, so yep, I'm pretty sure this is T109. Don't know.
Because in YouTube videos of T109 in Callahan and Folkestone.
Probably going to the mines up there. So, yep, here he comes. 2 Gevos leading, most likely. Freaking bugs. An ET44AH and an SD70ACE. He's running quiet today. He'll be tripping the defect detector soon though. So we'll find out how long he is. Oh yeah. This may be... Alright, we got the defect detector. No defects. He's got 434 axles, about 5,000 feet long, and he's only going 16 miles per hour. Oh yeah. If you didn't hear that, he's only going 16. He's almost a mile long, so we may be seeing some DPU on here. And he's got about 434 axles. So, yeah. Gotta be meeting someone, so we're gonna hang out here after this passes because I think it's meeting someone. And I think I see the end, and I think this thing has distributed power. I think it has an engine on the back, which is what DPU is, distributed power units. this video is now 5 minutes long, or this clip, so this is gonna be a long video. I believe these are empties coming out of Tampa's Big Bend power plant. Yep, he's got DPU. These are empty coal hoppers, which hints why. Yeah, look. Yeah, it's a DPU train. Oh, that's, no, never mind. I'm not going to do it. I just assumed it. Oh, that kind of scared me. Well, I just got another radio transmission, so yeah, here's our DPU. And ES44AH. Very nice. Running quiet as ever. Huh. I felt heat. 3107. That's one of Seaboard's 3 E7Bs.
Are they coming to a stop?
I don't know.
Look like they've slowed down.
I don't know, guys. We're gonna hang out here. I'm getting radio transmissions, so yeah, I don't know what's happening. See you in a minute. Alright, guys, we got another mystery train here. Don't know who he is, but Coltrane actually was keeping the main. They're running this train around it in the siding, so that's very interesting. Don't know who this is, because they don't speak up, even though I have a radio, but that's life. So yeah, we got another mystery train. Don't know who this is. I swear they said something 440 something. So this may be 442. This may be Q442, guys. I don't know. It looks like it has a... Ooh. Looks like it has a standard cab kind of deal. Yeah. We've got a standard cab locomotive. Probably an SD.
Is this a phosphate?
That looks like rock. So yeah.
Oh yeah, I see. Okay. First they look like all covered hoppers.
Yeah, another mystery train. Don't know who this is. If you'll be so kindly and tell me, I'd be nice if you because 8888, which was involved in a disaster in 2001, got rebuilt into an SD40-3. So I don't know if 4010 is old 8888, but it may be. I live in Florida and they like to exist at this time. Alright, defect detector's on. No defects. .604 axles. Alright, 26. That's bad. It's going 26 miles per hour. It said 907, 903. I believe that means it's 9,000 feet. So this is long. We may see some DPU on the back of it.
I think some of these are loaded.
They are. All of them
Where
are.
the heck do they come from? Unless they're coming in.
Alright, just got on the radio. I still don't know what this is. I have a hunch this is 442. Do not quote me on that. Like I said in my, what was it, mainline freight video, I said that locomotive was in YN3B. No, it's in YN2. No DPU. Interesting, since this was much longer than the coal train. But, you know. The ABS signal has gone back to yellow. I believe that was Q442. I missed him last time I was out here, so yeah. We're gonna go see what the big deal is. So yeah, we're gonna go see that now. So see you in a bit.